What's up, guys? Welcome back to my Canadian dividend investing portfolio series updates here on YouTube. And today we're up 3% on the day. That's insane. Up over 2 grand in one day. Clearly, I have some more to go because I'm still quite down quite far in my portfolio. But wow, stocks are pumping today. When I look at my screener in Yahoo Finance, every stock that's in my portfolio went up today. That's absolutely wild. And some almost double-digit gains here. Intergex, Savaria, Bitfarms, Northwest Health, a whole bunch of sketchy stocks, but they just pumped so hard today, which is crazy. Even the entire index is just up like almost 3%, so that is just wild and crazy to see. And looking in my spreadsheet, it's really nice to see that we've gone from what was like minus 14% almost up to less than 10%, which is a pretty, it's like that 3% gain right there, or less of a loss, I guess. So it's just really nice to see, especially because a few days ago on October 31st, I bought a couple of shares. I put some money into NPI, AQN, Intergex, and Savaria. And those are some of the biggest movers on the day. So Intergex up almost 9%, Savaria, the second highest one, NPI as well, almost 7%, and AQN bumping up about 5%. Don't get me wrong, these stocks are still in pretty bad positions. Like if you look at AQN, we are down pretty far. But anyways, it's just nice finally to get a green day. It just, they don't come that often, I guess. So it's nice to get them when they do. Still a lot of stocks here in the red, but not as drastic, which is pretty great. But what I guess the only thing I really wanted to update as well is, other than the good news, is that I got a few more dividends. I received my last dividend of October and my first dividend of November. So let's go ahead and drop those in. So we can find them in my activity tab. Under dividends, I got this one from TD. It was $28.80 on the 31st, and another one from Power Corporation on November 1st for $30.45. So I'm going to go put those in the dividends tab. And what the heck? I accidentally deleted that. That was Bank of Nova Scotia. So then the one that came through on October 31st is TSE TD, and then we had TSE POW. So this guy was 28.80, and this guy was 30.45. All right, so I'm just going to drag these down, and let's take a look and see exactly how many dividends I did receive in October. It was $449.21 in total, so it's actually less than my best month of all time. Often these have been on a totally upward trajectory, but we can see here it's been a little bit rocky, and that's because since basically around in 2023, a lot of the companies that I own have cut their dividends. So that's why I didn't just keep going up endlessly. However, I have been buying a few more dividend paying stocks and reinvesting the dividends, so it's not just like totally going down. But also this just rounded out October, but I also just added in the first dividend for November. So if you're a Sheet user and you want to add in a month, all you do is you come down here. These are the tables that control the graphs that we see above. Just look for this one, which is the dividend bar chart data, and scroll down, select the entire row like this, and grab this little blue handle and just drag it down one. And it's smart enough to know that it's going to increment our table. So now we're going to we should have an entry for November at about $30.45. And that is exactly what we have. So I'm ready to start receiving dividends going into November, and add them into the spreadsheet in the dividends tab, and then this will continue to update and everything will be nice, and hopefully we get some more green days in the future. Buying dividends at a discount is nice, but when they just keep going down, that's also not always that encouraging to see. So like I said, good to see a green day for once. And a pretty wild one at that. I saw even Shopify went up 20% in one day. Like that's just bananas is really what that is. So anyhow, guys, that's all I got for you today. I didn't actually buy any stocks. I've got about $1,000 left in cash that I'm ready to spend going forwards. And so I'm just going to watch the markets maybe tomorrow or early into next week and see. I was actually hoping to spend more money as the prices continue to decline. So if this is just a blip and they start to decline again, either way, it doesn't really matter because I'm still in the red like crazy all over the place. So I'm okay to continue adding into a lot of these positions no matter what happens going forward. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. If you're interested in trying out the spreadsheet, there is a link down in the description below where you can try it out. And otherwise, take it easy. Hope you had a good day as well, and I'll see you in the next one.